Replace glass door. Open glass door. Unscrew the lower hinge fixing screws. Take out the lower hinge and rubber pads on both sides. Unscrew the upper hinge fixing screws. Take out the upper hinge and rubber pads on both sides. Replace glass door. Install the upper hinge and rubber pads on both sides. Tighten the upper hinge fixing screws. Insert the installed upper hinge into the groove of the door frame. Install the lower hinge into the door frame groove. Install the lower hinge and rubber pads on both sides. Tighten the lower hinge fixing screws. Close glass door. If the glass door does not close properly, loosen the lower hinge slightly, approximately 2 turns of twist. Loosen the upper hinge slightly, approximately 2 turns of twist. Lift glass door. The upper hinge should be pushed upward. The lower hinge needs to be pulled outwards. Pay attention to the angle between the hinge and the glass. Pull down hinge and tighten the 2 hinge screws. Push up against the upper hinge. Tighten the 2 upper hinge screws. Test whether the glass door is closed. If there is any problem, repeat the previous steps. Once the glass door can be closed normally, tighten the remaining screws.